Welcome to the video on Ponseti casting techniques. To understand the terminology used in the Ponseti manipulations, we need to understand hindfoot movements. All of us understand equinus and calcaneus intuitively. However, when it comes to inversion, we should know that it is when the undersurface of the calcaneus moves towards the midline of the body. In eversion, the undersurface moves away from the midline of the body. Abduction of the calcaneus is when the posterior tuberosity moves away from the fibula. Adduction, on the other hand, is when the posterior tuberosity moves towards the fibula. The kinesiology of hindfoot correction is that when we abduct the forefoot, it pushes the calcaneocuboid joint and helps to abduct the calcaneus. It then comes out from underneath the talus, where it lies in inversion. Only then can it be corrected out of the equinus. This is an example of a Ponseti casting being done on a child, and it happens to be its third cast. The child is on the mother's lap, either nursing or asleep, and is made comfortable. I prefer to use roller bandage or very thin soft roll. A bulky padding or a bulky soft roll will make the plaster loose and the child can kick it off. We start applying the plaster by completely covering the toes. The main trick for a good plaster is to roll the plaster and not lift it off the limb. As the plaster is being applied and immediately after, we make quick tucking actions with the fingers. The child is comforted. We use small plaster bandages to make sure that the plaster cast is not too bulky. These are quick tucking actions, and molding is done in several places, and the fingers don't stay in one place. We mold under the shin, we mold under the arch, we mold behind the heel. Before the cast sets, the molding should be complete. To manipulate and achieve further correction, I prefer to use a small strip of gauze. This gives a gentle grip on the foot to manipulate. The force needed is absolutely minimal. My thumb is holding underneath the first metatarsal, supinating and abducting the forefoot. The index finger is giving counter pressure on the head of the talus. The force is very gentle and almost imperceptible. The paradox of the Ponseti manipulation technique is that the plaster cast achieves softening of the ligaments, and hence at the change of every cast, manipulation needs very little force. Hence, older the child, the cast stays on for a little longer. Applying the plaster cast is an art. Dr. Ponseti was heard remarking on his 81st year that I have just learned how to give a good plaster. One has to train one's fingers to move quickly, to mold, to make sure that the plaster is not too tight, not loose, that it doesn't create pressure sores, and most importantly that it doesn't come off. Any of these problems and the parents do not forgive the surgeon.